Here company code, assign withholding tax type to company code. Here click on new entries. Company code BA12, withholding tax A1. Here check with tax agent, valid from today's date. Till 31/03/1999. So enter and save. Click on next entry. Company code, tax code, tax type A2. Here check withhold tax agent, date, enter and save. Here click on activate extended withholding tax. Click on position, company code, enter. Here check extend withholding tax and save. Now we have to create TDS payable account /n FS00. This is under liability. So 107. $1,07,000. Click on create. Then liability, balance sheet, TDS payable account, enter. On control data, only balance, open item management, line item display, and sort key 001, enter. Here click on create bank or interest, field status group Z012 and save. Next define account for withholding tax /NSPRO, SAP reference, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings, withholding tax, here extended withholding tax. Click on posting. Account for withholding tax. Define accounts for withholding tax to be paid. Enter. Here check withholding tax code and tax type. Enter and save. Here withholding tax A1. Son A1. TDS payable account. Enter. Next A2. Withholding tax A2. Same. Enter and save. Back. Here certificate numbering for withholding tax. Click on numbering classes. Here click on new entries. Number class A1. Number class for remittance. Enter and save. Next, assign number group to number class. Click on new entries. Company code PA12. Numbering class A1. Enter and save. Next, specify document type. Here click on India. Click on remittance challan. Document type. Click on document type for account payable. Click on new entries. Company code. KZ. Enter and save. Next one, maintain member groups. Here click on maintain member groups. Click on new entries. Company code BA12. Section code BA12. Official key 192. Number group A1, enter and save. Next one, assign number range to number group. Click on assign number range to number group. Click on new entries. Here A1 and 01. Enter and save. Back. Already done. Here click on withholding tax certificate for vendor and customer. Here click on maintain number groups and SAP script forms. Click on new entries. Maintain company code. Section code. Visual 192. Here form. Enter and save. This form is like default one only. So enter and save. So assign number range to number groups. Click on new entries. Oh, already done. And save. Maintain company code settings. Back. /n. SPRO. SAP reference. Here logistics general. Here click on tax on goods movements. Here India. Click on basic settings. Maintain company code settings. Here click on new entries. Company code BA12. Enter and save. Sir, ikkadi varaku all settings we have done.
Sir,
Sir,
withholding tax అన్ని
ఇవన్నీ withholding tax settings.
ఓకే నిండా ఫార్మ్స్ ఉంది దీంట్లో.
ఇవన్నిటికి టీ కోడ్స్ లేవు సార్, ఓన్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు గో త్రూ పాత్.
ఓకే వైండ్ అప్
సార్
ఇది కంప్లీట్